We are going to start exercise 3.7 today. And before starting this exercise, as I told you, in this exercise there are word problems that are related to LCM and HCF. Right? So first of all, before starting the word problem, let us know some keywords to identify whether the given example is of HCF or LCM. HCF, okay, highest common factor. So if such keywords comes in the example, highest, longest, maximum, okay, so that is an example of HCF, and there you have to find HCF of the given number. And if the words such as lowest, smallest, minimum comes in the example, so at that time you have to find LCM of the given numbers here. Fine. So now we have to start first example. Let us read it first. First example. Given things. What is the example? Renu purchases 2 bags of fertilizers of weight 75 kg and 69 kg. Find the maximum value of weight. What is asked? Find the maximum value of weight. So maximum word is there. So what you will find here? HCF. So what we have to find given here first? Renu purchases 2 bags of fertilizers. Renu purchases 2 bags of fertilizer, and their weight are 75 kg and 69 kg respectively. Fine. And what you have to find here? To find maximum value of weight. Maximum value of weight. So as the word maximum is here, so what you will find here? HCF. What you will find here? HCF. So you know this, how to find HCF. Write down separately the given number. See, 7. This is 75 is odd number. First of all, check if it is divisible by 3 or not. If it is divisible by 3, then divide by 3. है ना? अगर 3 से divisible नहीं है, then check for 5. So 7 plus 5 12. And the addition is 12 and it is a multiple of 3. So it is divisible by 3. 3 2s are 6, 1 remain, 3 5s are 15. Again it is odd number, but it is not divisible by 3. So 5. 5 5s are 25 and 5 1s are 5. We will stop here. 69. It is odd number. Yes, it is divisible by 3 or not? 9 plus 6 is 15, and yes, it is divisible by 3. 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, and this 23 is a prime number, so it is divisible by itself. So 23 1s are 20. Fine. Now we have to write factors separately. 75. What are the factors? 3 5 multiplied by 5. 69. What are the factors? 3 into 23. Now we have to encircle the common factors. 3 is common and nothing is common. So what is the HCF here? Your HCF is 3. So the answer is thus maximum value of weight is what? 3 kg. It is 3 kg. Okay. So in this way we have completed first example. Now next. Now, second example, I am going to read it. 3 boys step off together from the same spot. Their steps measure 63 cm, 70 cm and 77 cm respectively. What is the minimum distance it should cover? Minimum distance. Minimum, this word is coming, so what you will find here? LCM. So first we have to write given things. What is given to you? The steps measure. The measures of steps. Okay, the steps of boys measure. What is the measure? 63 centimeter, then 70 centimeter, and at last 3 boys were there. So 77 centimeter. This is given. Means these numbers are given. What you have to find? What you have to find here? Minimum distance. Minimum distance. So what you will find here? For finding the minimum distance, we will go for LCM. We will find here LCM. So for finding the LCM, you have to write these numbers together, not separately. In HCF, we write separately and find the factors separately. In LCM, we have to write them together and then check. See if one even number is there, at least one. अगर एक भी even number है तो हमें 2 से ही divide करना है. So we have to write here 2 because 70 is even number. So write down the remaining odd numbers as it is. 2 3s are 6, 1 remain, 2 5s are 10. This 77 as it is. Now there is odd number, all 3 are odd number. So first of all check if any of them is divisible by 3 or not. So 6 plus 3 is 9, 9 is a multiple of 3 and these both are not divisible by 3. So first of all divide these by 3. 3 2s are 6, 3 1s are 3. This 35 as it is, 77 as it is. Again 21 is divisible by 3 but these two are not, but still you have to give preference to 3 and write down these two as it is. 3 7s are 21, 35, 77 as it is. Now again any of them is divisible by 3? No. So if any of them is divisible by 5 after 3, what is the next prime number? 5. So we are going to check for 5. Yes, 35 is divisible by 5. So write down here 5 and write down the remaining these two numbers as it is. So 5 7s are 35 and this 77 as it is. Now all three are divisible by 7, not by 5. Exactly divisible by 7. So 7 1s are 7, 7 1s are 7 and 7 11s are 77. At last only 11 is remaining and it is also a prime number. So divide by 11. And this is 1, 1 and 1. So all these are what? All these are the prime factors. This LCM we have found by prime factorization method. So therefore LCM is equal to, you have to multiply all these factors. Okay. So 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 11. So multiply them. 2 3s are 6, 6 3s are 18. 18 5s are 90, 90 into 7, 7 9s are 63, 630 and 630 into 11, 630 into 11, 6930 and what is the unit? Centimeter. So the minimum distance at last you have to write thus or hence or therefore. Hence, the minimum distance it should cover is that 6930 centimeter. The minimum distance it should cover is 6930 centimeter. This is the answer. So the word is minimum, so that's why we have find your LCM and this is the method to find LCM and whatever the factors we are getting, we are multiplying it here and this is the answer.